Good afternoon, everyone! I'm here now in Simplicity Ayala. So, ano kaya ang gagawin ko today, this afternoon? Gusto ko sanang magpa-facial. So, come and see. Tignan natin kung anong gagawin natin. And stay with me until I finish. Okay? Bye! This is the nail bar. Beautiful nail bar. And I'll show you the rooms. Ang ganda ng rooms. Here. This is all sanitized. So I will lie down here and have my facial. Okay? Bye! Hi, I'm starting my facial. Ang tawag daw dito ay gold facial. So in a while, pwede ko nang ibenta to kasi maraming gold yung aking face. This is what you call aqua peel. You will notice in 3 days, magka-glass skin ka talaga. So, hindi siya masakit. It's like suctioning your dead skin and then giving you a revival in your face.
Tatlong serum. Different.
So, you have serum na ilalagay in your face. So it will make your skin more brighter, fresh, and alive. See? Aqua peel. Only in Simplicity.
Parang hydrofacial.
Parang hydrofacial?
Hydra sa bago lang. Ito.
What I'm doing right now is Ayonto. Ito raw yung nagpapaalis ng mga tagyawat and ano pa ate. Aside from tagyawat, pimple scar. So, kanina nilagyan nila ng malamig. Ano yung malamig na yun ate?
Ayonto gel na.
Ayonto gel na galing sa ref. So,
Dalawang klase yan.
2 kinds of Ayonto gel. What kind of Ayonto gel is this ate?
Whitening and acne.
Oh yan, nilagyan din ako ng whitening and then I have tagyawat ngayon dito. Oh. Thank you Simplicity. Don't forget to visit Simplicity Ayala Center and look for Ate Au. That's Ate Au. Okay. So, what we are doing right now is lifting. So, meron siyang current. You will feel it. And then, para siyang tinutusok-tusok. Right, ate?
Yes, ma'am.
So, included to sa package ng aqua peel. Right, ate?
Yes, ma'am. Kasali siya.
So, nice, oh. Para siyang may tikal-tikal-tikal. This one, we will call this Hydra. Kinukul na raw yung skin. So, ito naman parang may ice. And then, machine din siya. Machine operated. Pero very relaxing. So tinanggal na yung EMLA. Now we're starting to do the synergy. Okay. So I'd like to introduce to you Ate. Ate, this is Ate. Ate Nelly. So, yung hinahawakan niya, Yan po yung Synergy. So the machine, I'll show you the machine ha. So this is the machine for the Synergy. Okay.
Mataas ba ano naman?
Ano ito ate?
Kano pa? Ultrasound gel.
So this is ultrasound gel. So guys, pag nagpa-Synergy kayo, lalagyan din pala ng gel para hindi natin maramdaman yung current at saka yung parang piga-piga ng mga buto natin. And that. So this is the line na babanatan para maging V-shape face.